From scripts with ChatGPT to voiceovers with 11 labs and images generated by Midjourney or Leonardo, AI is everywhere. But there's one thing I still don't. Why are people spending hours manually editing videos with software like Filmora or CapCut in this AI era? Hey everyone, welcome back to Brand Locally. Today we're diving into how AI is transforming video creation. I used to be one of those people until I discovered Jupyter AI, an incredible tool that can edit your videos with just one click. Yes, you heard that right. One click. If you have a voiceover, Jupyter AI can generate the entire video for you. This tool turns your audio into a complete video, adds B-rolls, achieves instant creation, and automates subtitles, all with a single click. Don't believe me? Let me show you an example. Here we are on the Jupyter AI website, and guess what? It's free. Jupyter AI can edit your videos seamlessly. Let's scroll down to check out the features. Relevant stock footage with one click. You can add stock footage effortlessly. Auto subtitles. This feature is simply amazing. Turn audio into video. This function is even better than Pictory AI. Now let's see how Jupyter AI works in real time. 1. Generate B-roll with AI. After signing in, you'll see two options. Add B-rolls to your video and turn your audio to video. 2. Upload your video. Let's suppose you have a normal video file where you talk about a topic in front of the camera. Simply upload your recorded video file here. 3. View transcript and preview. Once uploaded, you'll see the transcript on the left and the video preview on the right. For instance, we have a video where a girl talks about her experiences. Let's make it more engaging by adding B-roll visuals. Add B-rolls highlight any part of the transcript. Like, had their own coffee shop? A pop-up appears with options. Generate image, generate video, add GIF, or upload image video. Manually click generate video. Wow, look at that. The AI adds a relevant video to the script. Don't worry about copyright issues because Jupyter AI uses clips from Pexels, which offers non-copyright free video footage. Replace B-rolls if needed, highlight the words again, and click pick another from gallery if the AI's choice isn't perfect. Now let's add another B-roll for surrounded by people. Highlight the words, click generate video, and voila. Accurate footage for our script. You can easily enhance your videos with relevant B-rolls using Jupyter AI. Alright, we've added some engaging B-rolls to our video. Let's play the final version. Adjusting video settings. Want a portrait video for Reels, TikTok, or Shorts? You can change the format easily. Customizing subtitles. Change font style, size, position, and color. My favorite is Quicksand. Let's try a pink color for our subtitles. My favorite feature is turn your audio to video. Simply upload your audio file, write your video title, and click continue while it processes. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Once the audio is transformed into a video, let's check it out. Isn't it amazing? This video will definitely get monetized on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time on Brand Locally. To like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand Locally, easy and affordable.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand Locally, easy and affordable.